All right, today I'm going to be going over the functions of the dashboard. Let's start off here. The initial days that you have on your countdown to play the game is 365, and so that's important to pay attention to how many days you have left. The next most important thing is the tribe value, and this is basically like your tribe's reputation. So if you are accepting a lot of offers and then not fulfilling them, your tribe value will decrease. However, on the reverse, if you accept offers and are able to fulfill them, your tribe value will then increase. All right, next, that thing that you need to pay attention to is your genome alteration experiment, which is connected to how many Movillenniums you have submitted to CROB. So the more Movillenniums you submit, the higher your team will go on the genome alteration experiment and be able to evolve. The next part you need to pay attention to is the global tribe dominance, and that is basically how much land you have obtained. It's important to remember with the global tribe dominance that this is not your end objective. It does help to own more land because then you will be able to accept more offers and fulfill those offers, but your ultimate goal is here, the genome alteration experiment. You want to evolve. So this graph is showing your path of evolution. So you start at 0 and your goal is to get to 100%, which means that you will have evolved. So as we play, those are the top things to pay attention to. In order to win, you must get to 100% evolution within the 365 days by submitting Movillennium. If you have any questions about any of the other items on the dashboard, please let me know. You can refer to this resource legend, but you will begin to get those down. And you are versus these other 3 tribes. There are 3 other tribes vying for the same resources as you, the same Movillennium. So it's important that you are getting to that Movillennium faster than they are, because whoever reaches 100% first is the tribe that will evolve. All right, let's play.